Today I will show you how to install Docker in Linux Mint or other systems based on Ubuntu. This video is a quick shot without explaining what is Docker or Docker Compose, how it works, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's go. I prepared a very useful shell script which can automate the whole process of installing Docker in your system. You can get it for free from GitHub. The link is under the video. Let's see what we have here. Sudo apt-get update. I think it's clear for everyone. The next line, we have to install some useful tools: apt transport, HTTPS, CA certificates, curl, software properties common. I think most of systems have these tools. Next, we have to add two things. We have to add a GPG key for Docker and the repository. After adding a repository, we have to update our cache. Then we can install Docker and Docker Compose. There's one thing we have to do after installing. We have add our user to a Docker group, because we don't want to run Docker with sudo. I don't think it's a good idea. Okay, so we will try to do it. First, I have to clone this script. I copy the link, git clone. Okay, cd install Docker. I will show you the script. It's the same what we saw here. Now run the script, Docker install. We have to enter password. Now we have to wait a few seconds or minutes. Yes, I have all files in cache, so here the installation is very quick, but on your machine it will take some time because you have to download all files from the internet. I already did it. These files are in my cache because I don't want to waste your time. Just a few seconds, I think. Okay, let's check it. Docker version. Okay, Docker Compose version. Okay. Now I have to restart the machine. It's connected with our user and group. So I will stop the recording and I will be back after system startup. Okay, I'm back. Let's see our Docker installation. Docker images empty. So Docker run hello world. It looks okay. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. So we have a Docker. Everything I've shown in this video is on my blog. The link for this article is under the video. Thanks for watching and good luck!